This is the outer wall still on this side. This guy's running a bit of a con here, getting his mates to pretend they're betting. That's the Colosseum metro station. That's where Thomas set off the alarm the last time we were here. That's the Arch of Constantine. An amount of people, it wasn't like this 12 years ago. Just gotta wait for your space. It's a bit of original ceiling up there. You can see the one outside row of arches, then another row, then another row, and there's another row in front of that too. We'll certainly be fitter by the time we get home. Yeah, this is a second level. There'll be a third level and a fourth level as well.
That window.
That was the first bit where we came in over there. Ground is wet. As you can see the arch from Arch of Constantine, that one is. Because this was never called the Colosseum in original times, it was the Flavian Amphitheatre. It's Arch of Constantine, and that's the Colosseum. And look at those black clouds. The Via Sacra, just at the road that they used to have processions and triumphs and stuff on, goes up to the Forum and then up to the Rostra at the other end. Now that's the Arch of Titus. It says on it, Senatus Populusque Romanus, the divine Titus and the divine Vespasian And then it says Vespasian Augustus on the bottom. It's Thomas's metro station over there again. Basilica of Maxentius, that is. It's the temple of the Vestals down there with the ponds and the circular temple. Curia over there, top right. It's absolutely bucketing down rain now. I knew it was going to come, didn't think it'd be quite so early.